Goody. Welcome back to my channel. This is DK. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's look is going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm going to be using some products that are new to me, old to y'all. I'm going to be using the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. I've been using this for the past 3 or 4 months, and hands down, I absolutely love this palette. I think the highlighters are amazing. But I'm starting to realize that that's a trend from BH Cosmetics. Like, all of their highlighters are really buttery and really soft, because I really like the highlighters in the Carly Bible palettes as well. So I use the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, and it's dirty because I actually use it. I've used this on 2 or 3 clients. In addition to that, I love using it on myself. And I just absolutely think that the palette is amazing and it's worth every penny. In addition to that, I tried out the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I honestly bought it for the Sculpt Powder. I love that terracotta, peachy bronze look, and I absolutely love it, and I will continue to use this. And obviously this is targeted to women of deeper complexions, so I really like that as well. I tried out the Maybelline Fit Me, and all of these palettes, I've been using them. All these products, I've been using them. I just haven't showed them on my channel. I haven't been here for a while, so excuse my absence as well. And I'm also trying out the Hard Candy Silk Cashmere. I'm not sure if they're liquid lipsticks or lip glosses, but they're more of the consistency of a lip gloss, and I love that as well. So if you want to see how I applied all these products, and if you are liking this look, please continue watching and comment down below and tell me, do you think that this is too much for work? Would you wear this much makeup to work? I will say I no longer wear this much makeup to work, but I used to, and I will in the future. I want to start wearing makeup again. I haven't worn makeup in such a long time. Honestly, I haven't worn makeup to work like consistently for like almost 6 months. So I want to get back in the gist of doing that. So tell me, what do you think? Do you think this makeup is too much? I personally love it, and I would definitely wear this to work every day. It doesn't take that long. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't. Once you have your routine down, I'm sure you can get this done in about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, be blessed and enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm just jumping in here, and here I'm just blending out my powder on my face. And I'm going to be using, oh, I was setting my foundation. I see where I was setting my foundation, and here I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm using the Sculpt powder. This is really nice for me for my complexion. I am an NC45 in MAC. I am pretty warm and golden undertones, and I feel like this color shows up nicely without looking too heavily contoured. I feel like this is a perfect bronzing color for me and for anyone that's in my skin tone range. So here I'm just blending out that nose contour with my beauty blender, and then I'm using my brush just to blend everything out so that I don't have any harsh lines. I want you to see that the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, I am using the darkest highlighter, okay? That's the darkest highlighter in the palette that I'm using, and the name will be listed down below in the description bar. But do you see how that pops on me? Looking at it, I would think that it's too dark, but obviously it's not. It looks really good. I'm not too golden. I'm just highlighted. So I really like it, and I'm blending that in with my beauty blender. Here are the 2 mascaras that I use to plump my lashes. I naturally have very tiny lashes, so I need all the help that I can get, and I am not wearing lashes to work because I don't have time in the morning to do that. So I'm just building my lashes. Here I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic, and then next I'm going to be using the CoverGirl lash to build my lashes even more. Key tip, and this is something I had to learn the hard way. When you are applying your mascara in the morning, especially when you're in a rush, please let it dry. Remember to let it dry before you mist your face, because Papa Jesus, if you spray that setting spray while the mascara is still wet, sorry, your whole makeup is messed up. You gotta start all over. You're gonna be looking like trash. All right, this is the final look. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you like it, because I love it. All right, comment down below. Tell me if you like it, and would you wear this look to work? All right, we're done. All right, so be blessed. Look at these pictures, because I needed more time to babble. So comment if you liked it or if you disliked it. I want to hear it all. Subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but please, if you like it, then subscribe so you can see more. And let me know what you'd like to see on my channel. I'm finally getting back in the swing of things, and I want to be able to give great quality content. So follow me on my social medias. Actually, don't, because I'm really boring on there. So don't follow me on my social media. Not yet. Be blessed. Oh my God, please be blessed. One love.